everyone, I hope you are doing good. 2020 has been a 180-degree shift in our lives, right? We are working from home and our routines have changed suddenly. So, in this video, I'm here to help you with 5 of my tips to help you work from home and stay healthy at the same time. The number one tip that I have for you guys is to make a to-do list and schedule it. What I do is I set 1 hour for myself every Monday morning or Sunday night to list down all the things that I want to achieve in that particular week. This list can include all the work related projects or work related tasks like calling a particular client or making a diet plan for somebody, or it can include our mom related tasks like planning a learning activity for my kid, and it can also include personal health related tasks like including a particular exercise routine in your daily schedule. So once you have the list ready with you, you can schedule all these tasks into your entire week. The scheduling has to be so much in detail that during the week you exactly know at what time you're gonna do what task. So what usually works for me is before going to bed each day, I visualize my next day in front of my eyes hour by hour, so I exactly know how my day is going to look like. Number two tip is find a morning routine. If you realize you already had a morning routine when you were going to office, for me, I cannot start directly working in the morning. What I do is I have a set 30-minute morning routine which includes like waking up, brushing the teeth and then having lemon water, and then 10 minutes of deep breathing, 10 minutes of full body stretches, 5 minutes of meditation, and 5 minutes I spend in reading any kind of self-development book. Then I get ready for the day. So what happens is if I follow this morning routine, it sets mood for the entire day. So find whatever is helpful for you as your morning routine. List down those 3 to 4 very important tasks that you want to include in your morning routine. It can be as simple as not wearing your pajamas for the entire day and wearing a particular outfit so that it sets mood for the entire day. Number three tip is my favorite, that is planning your meals for the entire day. We feel that since we are at home, we are going to anyway eat healthy whenever we want. But the reality is we end up missing meals and frequently snacking on packaged items all the time throughout the day. Now this happens with me also, but it does not happen that often since I have started planning my meals for the entire week at the start of the week when I make the to-do list. Scheduling your meal makes sure that you have balanced, wholesome and home cooked meals throughout the week, and you have a stocked up kitchen and pantry so that you don't rely on outside food a lot and don't end up missing meals. The number 4 tip is keeping snacks out of sight. When we are in lockdown working from home, it is very common that we wander around in the kitchen every now and then looking for some food, right? So rather than doing meals every 1 to 2 hours, it is important to take out time, sit down and have a wholesome balanced meal rich in carbohydrate, protein, fat, fiber, which will keep you full for longer period of time. And it is okay to have snacks also when you are really physically hungry and when it is snack time. So for such times, always stock up on more nutritious snacking options like nuts and seeds, fruits, veggie sticks, etc., which will make sure that you don't reach out for those less nutritious options like chips and biscuits. 5 is hydrate. Did you actually think I'm going to leave out on my favorite tip of drinking more water? No, right? See, we do a good job of drinking more water when we are in the office environment because we have colleagues and facilities and an excuse to get up from our desk to drink more water. But the same thing should apply at home. If we are well hydrated, we are improving our focus levels and we feel good about ourselves. And also, in the process, we improve our immunity. So, get that favorite bottle of yours, which you like drinking water from. If it is boring for you, you can make your water interesting by making it an infused water. But remember, when we are talking about water here, we are not talking about coffee flavored water, right? So, no coffees and teas because they are going to dehydrate you more. So those were the 5 tips from my end meant to help you work from home and stay healthy. If you need any more help or ideas from my end, please feel free to reach out to me via DM and I'll be happy to help you. Until next time, please take care and stay healthy.